Good morning students and welcome to the EVS-1 class video 2 of lesson number 22 Transport and Communication. Children, now without wasting time, let's start the lesson. Now tell me, what is the second part of the lesson? Communication. Very good. Communication is the act of transferring information from one place, person or group to another. Students, look at the picture. These are various means of communication. The first picture is of a pigeon. In early days, messages were sent by tying a letter to the foot of a pigeon. Second picture is of a messenger. He would come on the foot, and the third one is on the horseback. They brought messages, and that also was a form or a mean of communication. Third picture is of a postman. Postman provided postal services like telegram and letters. Newspaper, radio, television, computer, mobile phones, dish. These all are various means and methods of communication. Now students, let's answer these questions and you have to put a triangle next to them. Which of the means of communication that we use at home are shown in the picture? Now students, we have seen these means of communication like newspaper, radio, TV, computer, mobile phone, dish. Question number 2. Which of the other means of communication have you seen before? So there you will put a circle next to them. Now students, obtaining or sending various types of information is called communication. I repeat once again, obtaining or sending various types of information is called communication. A few years ago, as you have seen in the picture, messages were sent by tying a letter to the foot of a pigeon. Messages were also sent through runners. In later times, telegrams and postal services came into use. But students, all these methods were very slow as compared to the modern methods. Nowadays, we have new techniques for quick communication. Communication is now used in every field with the help of media such as radio, television, internet, mobile phones, etc. We can easily communicate with several people at the same time. Man-made satellites are used for this purpose. Newspapers, periodicals, books, radio, television, internet, etc. are all means of mass communication. And now students, the communication has become very fast. We in India can talk to our relatives who are in America very fast because the communication has now, the technique of communication has improved a lot. And now in this pandemic, school, lessons, exam is all brought to your home. Online studies with the help of mobile phones. Anywhere and everywhere, isn't it? Now students, before we end, we just summarize what we have learned in the lesson video 1 and video 2. We use different means and modes of transport at different times in history. The means of transport we use nowadays are faster and safer than the older ones. The invention of wheel is an important step in the progress of mankind. Olden means of communications are sending letters through pigeons, telegrams, postal services. Modern methods of communication are radio, television, mobile phones, internet, newspaper. I hope you have understood the lesson. Now it's time to stop. We have done till page number 134. Do the activity on page number 134. Write new words 3 times. And yes, children, do not forget to read the lesson. Stay safe